Hello folks, this is 2022 October November paper 1-2 and the question number is 34. The question is concerned with the chapter current electricity. So it says that a metal wire has resistance R, it's okay. The wire is stretched so that its diameter decreases to 0.94% of the original diameter. So what does it mean is this D2 should be equal to 0.94 D1. D2 should be equal to 0.94 D1. 94% means like this. The volume of the wire is unchanged. So it is stressed, diameter decreases, but volume unchanged. What is the resistance of the stressed wire? So we have to find the resistance of the stressed wire. So what I have to do is, the first resistance is equal to rho is equal to, it is, R1 is equal to rho L1 by A1. That will be rho L1 by pi D1 square by 4. It will be equal to 4 rho L1 by pi D1 square. So this is R1. This is R1. Now R2 should be equal to, the value of R2 should be equal to, in a similar manner, 4 rho L2 by pi D2 squared. D2 squared. So now what I must have is this R2 by R1 should be equal to, this is 4 rho L2 by pi D2 squared, and this is a 4 rho L1 by pi D1 squared. So this 4 rho and 4 rho goes, pi and pi goes. What remains with us is L2 by L1, and then it will be D1 by D2 then square. So D1 comes up, D2 is down. So my R2 by R1 ratio will be somewhat like this. Now what I must do here is, let us find the ratio for L2 by L1 and for D1 by D2. Now I have got from here, from this relationship, what I have is D1 by D2 should be equal to 1 by 0.94. 0.94 equal to somewhat like this. So d is equal to 1 by 0.94. Now what will be this L2 by L1? So to calculate this, I must have this statement here. The volume of the wire is unchanged. So the volume unchanged means V1 should be equal to V2, which gives me A1 L1 is equal to A2 L2, which further means A1 means pi D1 square by 4 into L1 is equal to pi D2 square by 4 into L2. Pi and pi gone, which gives us 4 and 4 also gone. So D1 by D2 whole squared is equal to L2 by L1. So that means this L2 by L1 can be substituted as this. So therefore R2 by R1 is equal to, in place of L2 by L1 I'll be using this. So it is D1 by D2 whole squared into again D1 by D2 whole squared. So that's equal to D1 by D2 power 4, and that's equal to, we have got this thing here for 0.94. So 1 by 0.94 power 4, and this becomes equal to, so 0.94 reciprocal power 4. Yeah, this thing is equal to 1.28. So this gives us R2 is equal to 1.28 into R1, or simply I can say it as 1.28 then R. So the correct choice should be choice number D for this question. Choice number D.